Let's talk about snoring, also known as your mouth's nightly audition for Chainsaw Got Talent. While you're dreaming of vacation, your throat's glitching like Netflix on bad Wi-Fi. Meanwhile, your poor bed partner's over there, building a pillow fort and reconsidering all their life choices. But here's the truth bomb. Snoring dries your mouth, causes bad breath, leads to cavities, and inflames your gums. The remedy? Ask your dentist about a custom night guard. It repositions your jaw, helps you breathe better, sleep quieter, and keeps your partner from calling an exorcist.